My name is Chris W. and we're here today to demonstrate how to install our intake universal mounting bracket. First, what you're going to do is come over to the vehicle. You're going to find a location where the stock airbox might have been mounted, and you're going to remove some of these airbox bushings. Then what you want to do is grab the bushing from the webinar kit, thread it into the location here. Hand tight is good enough. Then what you do is you're going to grab a 10mm socket, undo the nut on the webinar bushing, and then as you can see here, we've bent this to reduce some of the time on the video. This is the original, and we've made the adjustments on the bending here. Then what you want to do is 8mm socket or wrench, unloosen the clamp, on the hook end of the bracket you want to install it under the clamp, as like this. Then you want to mount it to your webinar bushing that you put on the frame. Hold the intake in place. Install the washer and the 10mm nut. You're going to get it hand tight. Still hold the intake up. Grab your 10mm socket or wrench. Tighten your nut all the way down to the bracket so it's nice and snug. And then you're going to come back with your 8mm to the clamp and tighten your intake clamp down. And you're done installing the webinar universal bracket with bushing. You can do this on any of our intakes, any vehicle, around the same location. You can use bending. What you want to do is you can use pliers to bend the bracket and mount it just like we explained, and you're good to go.